I'm sorry.
Thank you. Wait, look. You won't take it. You want to change for a time?
You guys, we have a problem.
How are we going to take that?
No, we won't even take the whole dollar. Come on, Lincoln. $10.
Change for 5. You know what's funny is that she keeps going to the good and keeps coming back out. Sorry.
She doesn't know how to count, you guys.
I think it's you.
I don't know how to count.
Turn it over.
No, it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
I don't know what
I'm going to take this one. Sorry. I don't think she understands the concept that the thing's not going to take it.
Oh, I understand. Thank you. What drink do you want? What drink do you want? You want I just love you guys.
You should have gave up like 3 hours ago. Look, we were